everyone, and welcome back to Los Angeles English, where learning English fits right into your everyday life. I'm Sarah.
And I'm John. It's always good to have you with us. I hope you're comfortable because we have a great lesson today.
Yes, we do. Before we start, John walked into the studio this morning with a giant cup of coffee and a big smile. What's going on?
Well, I'm feeling proud today. I did something very old school.
Uh-oh, what did you do?
I bought a newspaper, a real one, made of paper, ink, the whole thing.
Wow, that is classic. I haven't bought a newspaper in maybe 10 years.
See, that's why I feel proud. I'm keeping the tradition alive.
That's actually perfect because today's topic is how to talk about the news in English.
Amazing timing. My newspaper is already helping the show.
Why the news feels hard. A lot of English learners tell us that the news feels difficult. There are long sentences, serious topics, and formal words.
Exactly. Sometimes even I read a sentence and think, did the writer eat a dictionary for breakfast?
But the good news is you don't need to understand everything. You just need a structure.
A map, a simple guide, something that helps you understand any news story.
So today we'll teach you the 5 W's. They're simple questions. What, where, when, who, why.
If you can answer these, you can understand almost any news story.
And you can also talk about it confidently with friends.
Yes, even native speakers use this structure without thinking about it.
3. Breaking them down with examples. 3 minutes. Let's practice with a fresh example. I'll start with the what. What happened? A new electric bus line started in the city.
Nice. Now where? Where did it happen? In downtown Los Angeles.
Next, when? It started operating this Monday morning.
Who is involved? The City Transportation Department and the mayor.
And why? They launched the new electric line to reduce pollution.
Now listen to the full story. On Monday morning, the City Transportation Department launched a new electric bus line in downtown Los Angeles because the city wants to reduce pollution.
That already sounds like a real news update.
See? No stress. Just 5 questions.
Number 4. Add the final step, what it means. 1 minute. There's one more optional step, and this part helps turn news into conversation.
Ask, what does it mean? Why should we care?
For example, it means the city is becoming more eco-friendly and people will have a cleaner commute.
This part adds your opinion. Nothing complicated, just a simple connection to real life.
5. Why headlines are your best friend. Sarah, a great tip. Start with headlines.
Headlines give you the what almost instantly.
Yes, you don't have to translate every word. Just look for the 5 W's. Let the details come later. 6. Using pictures and context.
Pictures in news articles are super helpful. If you see a crowd of people holding signs, you can guess it's a protest.
If you see firefighters, it's probably an accident or emergency story.
Use context. It saves time and makes reading easier.
7. Fun practice round, strange news. Sarah, let's do a fun one. I'll give you a real but strange headline.
I love strange news. Hit me with it.
Here it is. Giant pizza slice delivered by helicopter.
What? That sounds like my dream lifestyle.
Your mission is to answer the 5 W's. Ready?
Always.
First, what happened?
A restaurant delivered a giant pizza slice using a helicopter.
Good. Where?
Let's say it happened in Miami.
When?
Yesterday afternoon.
Who?
A local restaurant owner and a helicopter pilot.
Why?
Maybe to promote a new restaurant opening.
Now give us the full story.
Yesterday afternoon in Miami, a restaurant owner delivered a giant pizza slice using a helicopter to promote the opening of his new restaurant.
Perfect. Clear, simple, and funny.
And now the last part, what it means. It means the restaurant owner has a great sense of humor and probably wants to go viral.
Exactly. 8. Bring it back to real news practice. You can use this formula for anything: sports, entertainment, weather, science, politics.
And start with topics you enjoy. If you love football, read football news.
If you like movies, read movie news. It's easier when you already know the topic. 9. How to start a conversation about news.
Here are a few easy sentences to begin a conversation. Did you hear about that story? I read something interesting today. There was some news about. Guess what happened yesterday?
Use these with the 5 W's and you'll sound confident and natural. 10. Listener homework.
Now we have a simple task for you.
Find a small news story today. It can be serious, funny, or completely random.
And write the 5 W's in the comments.
Just 1 or 2 sentences, that's enough.
We love reading your stories, and it's great practice.
11. Closing.
All right, friends, that brings us to the end of today's episode.
Thank you for joining us and practicing with us. Remember, the news is not scary when you have a clear method.
Keep reading, keep asking questions, and keep talking.
Make sure you subscribe to Los Angeles English so you don't miss our next lesson.
And share this episode with a friend who wants to improve their English in a simple and practical way.
Take care, everyone. See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.